Welcome everyone. Are you afraid of applying for credit cards? Are you skeptical of whether I should go in for no? And if this is your fear which is haunting you, then I think you should watch this video. In this video, I'm going to help you out to understand on the nuances of the credit card, how these credit cards can be a boon to you, right? This is Amit Yalgi, the ACE coach, transform to perform, right? Now, coming to the cards. Now, the bank normally gives you an option here of applying for cards, that is a debit card or a credit card. Nowadays, most of the bank give debit card as a default, opening kit in the opening kit. But for credit card, you need to apply. Now there can be lot of call center people who would be calling you to apply for a credit card. They would encourage to you to do it. But what I suggest strongly is, if you are banking with any of the nationalized banks or private banks for that matter, if your banker provides you the facility of credit card, I would suggest you to take that credit card basically. Now when I talk about credit cards, the bankers offer, uh, normally they have three different categories of credit cards basically. That is, they normally define it as silver, gold or platinum. Now, don't go by the name, go by the benefits which are available in that. Please, when you want to apply for that credit card, ask the banker what are the different benefits uh, available in those particular cards. See to your needs. If any of you the card provides the needs which are required, then I think you should zero down to that particular card. Now once you have zeroed down to a particular card, let's say for example, let's say you have applied for a silver card, and the silver card, the banker will also fixed a limit of usage. Now, when they fix up a limit, it depends on how what the relationship that you have, the cash inflows that are there in your accounts, and a lot of things, right? So once the limit is fixed and you are happy with that limit, then you can start using your credit cards. Now every credit card has a billing cycle. Now, for example, first of this month we start the billing cycle. This would end up at the end of the month, and the next billing cycle would start from the first of the next month. Now, once the cycle is over, after that, the financiers or the bankers provide you another 15 days period of time to reimburse or to put back whatever you have utilized without any interest. So you are getting money which is interest free. Now, who should go for this? People who are in jobs, people who have a reimbursement facility, people who are paid in for their travels. I think they should prefer, and my advice is to should take on a credit card, should come out of this fear by now, right? So what happens now, how this would work on for a salaried class. Now the billing cycle starts from first of this month and will end at the next of first of the next month. The bill due date will be on 15th of the next month. Now whenever I start my month on as an employed or an employee, then I need to spend my money first and then submit the expense sheet and then take on the reimbursement. Normally this process would take somewhere around 14 to 15 days, and normally I have seen with most of the corporates, they credit the expenses at the end of the month. Right now, when they credit this at the end of the month, that is the time that you get it, you paid back in the account, and increase your limit, or enjoy the interest free loan which is provided to you. Now, credit card, when you use that, or when you swipe it, basically, what would happen is you would have to reimburse whatever money you have utilized in that billing cycle. Right. So once that is done, you pay it back, and then you get it. Now, how should I make the most of it? Is the next question. Now, if I have to make the most of it, I would give you this Guru Mantra. Now, let's say, as explained, that your billing cycle starts on 1st of this month. Plan your purchase in such a manner that your purchases happen in the first week of every month. Now, why so? If you purchase in the first week of every month, you would get somewhere around 40 to 45 days period to pay back to the banker, that too interest free, as I said, right? Now, normally try and avoid purchasing at the month end. Along with this, I would also suggest you and warn you not to swipe your credit cards in the ATMs for withdrawal of the cash, because if you withdraw cash from the ATM with the use of credit card, then you would be charged from the day you have swiped, from the time you have swiped, and the charges may vary from bank to bank, 2 to 4%. That's what the banks charge. But you can refer to the bank online websites and try and find out, or you can always ask your banker for those charges. Now, when we talk about charges, let me make another point on that. Before selecting a card, you can also look on this kind of charges. Some of the bankers provide you with a lifetime free card. Some of the bankers charge you annually, so it's like a subscription that you would take in, and this subscription is an annual subscription that you would get in. But is it not a boon for you if you get 45 days interest free loan in today's world, where nobody would give you even a single rupee? This is a state. So in this kind of scenarios, if you are getting a card which can give you an instant loan, and that repayment time is about 45 days, why not go for it? So are you now of the fear that yes, credit card is a boon? Yes. Secondly, aspect of it is on budgeting. Now, budget is very, very important. People do not plan to fail, but they fail to plan, basically. And uh, as I promise you that I would also come up with a video on budgeting. My next video would be on budgeting, and please stay hooked to my YouTube channel, Amit Yalgi. You can send your likes, you can comment, you can ask questions on the usage of credit cards if you have any, and please subscribe my channel, Amit Yalgi, right? So that whenever I have different topics being uploaded, you get the notification, you get the bell icon, right? So please subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I feel now that you would be off from that fear. Your skeptical ideas would have been cleared, your haunted dreams would have, you would have realized that no, it's not true about the credit card, right? So all the best. But yes, as I suggested, please go to your banker and apply for the card, and before, please check on the terms and the conditions, the charges on it, right? So be alert and enjoy. Thank you.